Lesson 24. What is probability? Example 12. One card is randomly selected from a standard deck of cards. Find the probability that the card selected is a jack, given it is black. Well, to find the probability that the card selected is a jack, given it is black, we need to count the number of cards that are jacks, given that we know it's colored black. Given information is basically telling us something that is known to be true. So when calculating the probability, we must take into account this given information. So even though the randomly selected card was taken out of the total of 52 cards in the standard deck of cards, when you're given that it's black, we only make our count based off of what's given. So the given information redefines the total number of possible outcomes. So instead of calculating the probability out of the total of 52 cards, we're going to calculate this given probability out of the 26 black cards, because that's what we know is to be true. So, given the 26 black cards, we can now calculate the probability. In this case, what's the probability that it's jack, given it's black? So out of the 26 black cards, 2 of them are jacks. So there's 2 black jacks out of a total of 26 black cards, giving us the probability of 2 chances out of 26, which works out to be 0.077 decimal, or 7.7%. Thus, there's a 7.7% probability that the randomly selected card is a jack, given that we know it was colored black. Notice that this given probability produces the same result as the non-given probability. That is, the probability that the randomly selected card is a jack without any given information means we find the probability of getting a jack out of the total number of cards in the deck. There are 4 total jacks out of a total of 52 total cards in the deck. 4 out of 52 also works out to 7.7%. So notice this given information doesn't change the probability or likelihood of the card being a jack. This indicates that the given information about the color of the card has no effect on the probability of the type of card selected. In statistics, when one event has no effect on the other event, these events are said to be independent. That is, one has nothing to do with the other.